Problem number 2 says that we have a data set with whole numbers and has a low value of 20 and a high value of 96. Now, first up, we're supposed to find the class width for a frequency table with 7 classes. So to get the class width, what we're going to do is this. We're going to take the highest value, say we take the high value, minus the low value, and we'll divide by the number of classes. Number of classes. So for us, this is going to be, the high value is 96, the low value is 20, and they're telling us 7 classes, all right? So this is going to be 96 minus 20, 76 over 7, and that is equal to 10.857, but we're going to round up. So we always round up, and that's going to give us 11. All right, so our class width is going to be 11. So what we need to do is put that 11 right up there. Let's do that. 11 right there. Now the second part asks us to fill in this table with our 7 classes. Now for a lower limit, we're just going to use the lowest value in our data set. We're going to use the 20. Now to get the next value, the upper limit, what I want to do is I want to put a number here so that we could have 11 possible pieces of data in there. Right? Now if I do this, if I just say, all right, if I start at that 20 and just say add 11, that gets me to 31. But then I've got 12 possible pieces of data here. Let me count them. You could have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So let's count these. How many do we have? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so you don't want to just add your class width. You want to take your class width minus 1. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm thinking class width minus 1. That's going to be 11 minus 1. Going a little bit too fast. 11 minus 1 is 10. So I'm going to be adding 10 to these numbers. So our first class is going to go from 20 to 20 plus 10, which is 30. And if I go from 20 and add 10, right, here's, let's do it up here. Make sure we got it right. 20, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if we go that one more up to 30, that gets us to 11. So I can put 11 different pieces of data into that first class. Now let's get to the second class. All right, so for the second class, where are we? Our second class is right down here. Let's take the 30 and bump it up 1 to 31. So we're going to start here at 31, right? So this is going to go 31 to 31 plus 10. Now 31 plus 10 is 41. So I'm going to make this upper class limit now 41. And we've got 11 pieces of data that we can put in here, right? I'm going to start counting from here. So I can make that imagine it's a 31. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, what about our third class? Maybe you can see the pattern here. Let's bump this one up. Right, we'll take that 41, that class, we'll bump it up 1 to 42. So we'll start here with 42. And then this class is going to go from 42 to 42 plus 10, which is 52. All right, so let's put a 52 in here. I think you can see what's going to happen here. So why don't we just stop there? Can you fill in the rest of them? What do you think it's going to be? You're going to bump this one up to 53, and then you're just going to add 10 to it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's get rid of that. So that's going to be 53 to 63, 11 different values, and then bump it up 1, 64, and 10 is 74. Bump it up 1, 75 to 85, bump the 85 up 1 to 86, all the way to 96. Well, look at that. That 96 came out exactly to our high value. And there we go.